Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Big Al. I hope everybody's doing real good. I've got a challenge lock I just got open a second ago. I'm going to try it again on camera. This one here is called, whoops, where are we at? Funyun by Bearsback. I gotta tell you, he sent me a couple of different locks, and there's two of them that I just can't open. Well, I can't open on camera to save my life, but apparently this one, there's the bidding on the key. I mean, it's pretty horrifying. It's yeah, actually pretty horrifying, but it does work, as you can see. Again, it's gnarly. Okay, let's see if we can't do it while the camera's rolling this time. Tension wrench. Go on the top. Excuse me. I'm going to be using the, I think this one's the gem, Peterson gem. I'm going to come in. If that light's good. I'm going to go a little tad bit. You can see the tension wrench a little bit there. Okay, we'll call that good. I'm going to go clockwise, 50 thousandths pry bar or tension wrench on the top of the keyway, and Peterson jam. Trying to get a little better at talking more about that. You know, I'm still in my learning stage. You know, going right away to the 2. 3, 4, 5, or 5. Okay, 5's to the floor. I'm going to try it. Yeah, kind of hard to get the pick under it, but I'm going to twist it. There it goes, I think. Hopefully I didn't overset that. They come off a little bit. Oh, it feels alright. Alright, going back out. Let's see. Two. 3, 4. Yeah, there's some low ones in the back there. It's hard to get under them. Okay, got a little baby false set. Just a little baby false set. Alright. Let's see. 3. Okay. Now it's not talking to me at all. Trying to get the lock to tell me what it wants to do. Okay, maybe all the way in the back. Let me get under the pin. Nope. Well, maybe. Might have said it that time. Okay, coming back out. Oh, I think I still got that little baby false set. It's a tricky little lock, I can tell you that much. Okay, that's, I think, number 3. It's pretty low, but it doesn't feel like it wants to move. So I'm going to try some others first before I commit to it. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think that one in the back still wants to play a little bit. If I can feel where I'm at. Let me see. Right there. I don't know. We're stuck now. Stuck like Chuck. Okay, let's see. Whoa, too much. 3, 4. Huh. I'm not sure. I think it might be. Oh, that's bad. I had to let that drop. Damn it. Alright, got the false set back though, so it's quite alright. I might have to work that one up there quite a bit. I got the false set back. I might have to go for this let me make sure. 4, 5. Yeah, I might have to go for it right here at let me see, 2, 3. I might have to try it. I don't know if it was the right move or not, but we'll find out. Get back under that back one. Okay. Got the false set back once again. Right there. Oh. 4, 5. Huh. Okay. Let me see which one wants to play. Right here. Want to set for me? Guess not. Tell you what, that's a booger. That's a booger. That's a tough little cookie, I'll tell you what. It does feel like that one in the back right there is wanting to play, but I can't seem to get it set. Yeah. Over to 5. They feel like they're set. I got a bad feeling it's right here. Oh. Apparently I was wrong. Yep, I was wrong. Oh, you little booger. Okay. Once again on that baby false set. Okay, I think I might have a deeper false set now. There's something boogered up. Huh. It's got me. I'm not feeling it. Usually you can do that little bounce like that and one of the pins will just kind of yell at you, "Hey, it's me over here." I'm not getting it. It is not talking to me. Nope. I'll be darned. Okay, I went into a slightly deeper false set. I'm not sure which one's I wonder if it's a T-pin. Ah, there it goes. I'll be damned. I wonder if it's a T-pin. It's open now. Well, there's something really funky in there. I'm dying to know what it is. Let's check it out. Let's take a ride. Yeah, there's something really, I really like that one. That was pretty trippy. Let me go out a little bit. Use my badass new pinning tray from Bobby Keys. Thanks again, Bobby. Go out like that. Okay. Yeah, really trippy. It felt freaking awesome, actually. I really enjoyed that one. Very much open. Fair enough. I'll lock it back up because we do have a key. Flat edge on the back. Flat edge screws. Yeah, that was pretty freaking awesome. Heck of a challenge lock. Because it kind of, well, I guess it's kind of hard to put it into words. Teases you back and forth on the pins. Really liked it. Bearsback, yeah, awesome Bearsback. Okay, we'll go counterclockwise because it turns better that way. shim somewhere underneath all my pile of junk. Let's see. Oh, here's one. Where's the top? It's here. I really do want to get one in there because this thing felt pretty wild. I don't know where the top is. I'm gonna guess it's right there. Let's check it out. Pins are gonna be over there. Alright. 5-pinner. Hard to get the pins out, or the key out over that, over those mountains. Alright, lay them out here. Oh yeah, there's something even funky about the key pin. 2-piece there. Alright, be careful getting these out, because okay, that was, whoa, that's that one. Oh, I must have had that one stuck to my finger. So that's that one. Okay. Yeah, crazy. So we got a 2-piece. Let's see, that's rounded off, so I'm guessing that went this way. Yeah, because that would complete the roundness. No wonder it was so tough. Very cool. I like that one. That's a one. Oh, that's the 2-piece. I better keep that apart or I'll forget. I forget easily. Alright, on the core, we've got 2, 3. Okay, we've got no threading, but we got an undercut in 2, 3, and 4. Just slightly. 2, 3, and 4 we got undercuts, and then there's this little, I'm not sure why they do that on this 5th one, kind of a little cutaway. Maybe that's where there's a T-pin. I don't know. But we do got undercuts 2, 3, and 4 on the core. So check out what's up top. Go over here. Well, that barely popped up. Looks like a standard one. Very light spring, I guess. Oh yeah, little baby spring. Whoa, number 2. That might be a 2-piece. Oh, it is. Well, is it? I don't know. We'll have to take a closer look at that. That's pretty wild looking combobulation right there. Tell you what. Yeah, there's something crazy on that number 2. Alright, 3 is looks like a spool. Yeah, looks spoolish. Number 4. Nice long one. Looks like a sharp cap on a, I don't know, multi-serrated or dual spooled. Stronger spring. And then number 5, we're gonna have a, might be a 2-piece there. I don't know, but it is a it's got serrations on the bottom, and it's definitely a T-pin. I set this stuff down, I can see if it's a see if it's a 2-piece or not. On the Bible, nothing done in the Bible. Okay, so light over this way a little bit. Yeah, you know what? Let me see. We're still in frame. Yeah, I want to see. No, I think that's a 1-piece, man. Yeah, it's just wild looking. It's see if I can hold it in the middle, maybe. It's got like a T-pinned end on it, and it's like a barbell with a ring in the middle. It's got a lot going on in that little sucker right there. And number 2, that was the driver in number 2. And this 5th one, I wanted to see if that was a 2-piece. It doesn't look like it. I don't think it is. If it is, it's stuck on there. Whoops, no, it's not. It's just a really, see if I can hold it up. Really serrated, whoa, serrated T-pin. Really cool, man. Alright, we'll take a closer look on the camera. Again, that was, let's see, put that over there. That was Funyun by Bearsback. Thank you, Bearsback. It's freaking awesome. This was a great one right here. Okay, we've got on the key pins. This is one I said was kind of trippy. It reduces at the top right here on this key pin. 2 is a standard. 3 is actually a 2-piece key pin. And 4 is a standard. 5 is a standard. Top pins, drivers. Got a standard and one. Looks like standard. This one here, it's got a lot going on. There's like 2 almost dual spooled and then like a T-pin at the end of it. Yeah, you can call that T-pin. It's not real long, but it does the job. This one here, pretty special too. It's got like a almost a spool like with a ring in the middle of it. That's number 3. 4 is again almost dual spooled or 2 deep serrations. You know, I mean, that's could go either way. And then this 5th one, obviously a serrated up top, and then goes down twice, 2 different diameters down to a nice sharp T-pin. And the springs do vary, as you can see. We got maybe these 3 may be the same, and then these 2 are oddballs, a little shorter, to give you different, you know, and it worked good, because that's what I was saying when I was picking it. It felt really weird, and springs will do that, you know, the different tensions you got to put on the pick and whatnot. All right, there's the pins. A little close up. All right, Big Al signing off. Thank you all so much for watching.